Hello, how are you? I hope doing well. Today we have another unboxing of a Louis Vuitton item. And this one is an item I picked up while shopping with our friend Laurie from Smiling Cats Couture. So if you want to see what I picked up, stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, your cup of coffee, all the fun things that we treat ourselves to. This is the place to be for that. I decided to treat myself to a day of shopping with, as I mentioned, good friend Laurie from Smiling Cats Couture, an LV lover as I am myself. And we met up in Portland and had a great day shopping. I put a vlog up a few weeks ago, really short. I didn't really video too much and take too many pictures, but a really short overview of the day. She gave me a lovely bracelet as a gift. And while I was there, we tried a ton of stuff out, tried bags out. Yeah, just had a ton of fun. Side note, laugh real quick. There was one item I was really interested in. It was that, oh gosh, it's like a belt bag or a bag on a belt, but it was the multicolored. It seemed like the only Murakami item they had in stock in the store, other than like, I think it was like one bag charm. And so I asked to see it. And I tried, and I should have gotten a picture of it, but I laughed so hard because, so when I put it on, I couldn't even get it around my waist. It was that small. And when you look at the picture, I'll insert a picture of it on the website. It looks like it has this massive chain. It's like the model, I was like, oh, sure. You know, it has that much extra length on it. I can certainly probably get it to at least button. Nope. So I am that large of a person. I couldn't even get it around me. So the sales associate is really, really nice and saying like, oh, well, you could like, you know, just snap it across here as a crossbody. I tried. It's like, couldn't even get it on. But even worse than that, like it's the tiniest little pouch. It won't even hold my phone. So wasn't even worth it in the grand scheme of things, but it was kind of disappointing because it comes out it was in the Murakami. They also had in the jean, the denim fabric. So just scratch that off the list of ever getting. If you're plus size, it's not the bag for you, unfortunately. So anyway, I digress. We're here for one thing. We're here to unbox this item. So this is something that I had absolutely no intention of buying, completely just spur of the moment. I saw, in fact, the sales associate was actually quite, I don't know, I want to say the word is enamored, but more attentive. Well, yeah, that's the word. More attentive to Laurie because she was just fascinated with Laurie's collection of Murakami. So she definitely was trying to get Laurie's attention, so to speak. And she had brought out a couple things to show her. And this was one of the items. And she just left it on the counter. And I was off, I don't know, I think taking a picture of myself with the bag. And came back and saw it on the counter. And I was like, oh, what? And decided to go ahead and try it on, and lo and behold, I'm like, okay, wrap it up. Sold. Gonna have it. And that's what I ended up picking up. So I have my receipt. Here is the item right here. And I want you to, I guess, all the YouTube-y things, to guess down below what it is. I think there's kind of a theme to what I was getting that day and the intent of what I was doing that day. So once you see it, you'll kind of know why I picked it up. But yeah, we're gonna open it up. So it is in a tiny little box. So it could be an SLG, it could be something else, who knows? But let's open it up and get it unwrapped. Right here. Actually kind of surprised that it comes in a dust bag like this because my other items come in a different type of dust bag that are of this nature. That there. it is. It is the, whoa, I just dropped it. I'll put it against the dust bag. It is the confetti bracelet in the lilac leather. And this is in the 19 centimeter. And this one, I was very happy to discover that it fits. So the kind of backstory with that was Laurie had given me a present that day. It was, I think, the mini flowergram, if I remember correctly, bracelet, which I've already shown in that vlog. And she happened to get me that in the 19 and showed me that it fit. And I was just like, that's miraculous, because anytime I've tried something on in the women's section, they never fit. So I always have to go over to the men's section and pick things up. But they never have 19s in stock on the women's side. So when the sales associate brought this one out, she brought out 19s. And that's when I just happened to pick it up and try it on. So this one has it's the confetti bracelet. And it has this little mechanism right here that you push the button and then it opens like that. And I just thought it was a really, really cute bracelet. So this particular line, if I remember correctly, it is a re-release of a prior collection, because I remember seeing something very similar to this many years ago. And there's this one website called, I think it's Second Life Jewels, if I remember correctly, and that's where I've seen it before. They have taken old versions of this line and they like break it apart like keychains or the bag charms, and they'll make separate pieces of jewelry like necklaces and earrings and all sorts of things. And that's what I've seen. And so when I saw this being re-released, I thought this was really interesting to pick up. So they're enamel little buttons on there, the little confetti charms. And then I believe there was a bag charm that came out. There might have been a necklace as well. I don't know if there was earrings this time around, but I just thought it was really cute. And the colors are totally my colors. So purple's my favorite color. And I just like the pastels, and I just thought it was a really fun bracelet. It's, again, it fits, but it doesn't have as much excess as the other bracelets that I've gotten recently. So I prefer the 21 in the men's size, and that's what I got, the I think it was confidential bracelet in the black monogram. And I just like that one a lot. As far as just kind of the ease, I can wear it on this one in front of the Apple Watch and have plenty of room for it. So I don't mind this, but it's like I'd have to wear it as part of a stack. So I don't tend to wear a lot of jewelry on this side because this is my dominant hand. So when I'm writing, it kind of bothers me. So I prefer to wear things over on my non-dominant hand. So I prefer them to be a little bit bigger so they go behind the watch. But anyway, so I just thought it was a really cute bracelet and spur of the moment buy. It was a fun time, enjoyed it, and I thought it was a nice addition to my collection. So I enjoyed it. More importantly, I enjoyed the time I spent hanging out with Laurie that day. It was a really fun day out. I hope to do it again sometime soon. If it's not at Louis Vuitton, I think we're thinking about possibly doing, the outlets down here, not too far from me, and like Coach and all the things that we have in this area. And yeah, just having a fun time. So this was a really nice experience. And I just really like that I was able to find bracelets that fit. So if you got this far, leave me, I don't know, some purple shade emoji of a purple heart. Give me a purple heart down below. Like, comment, subscribe, all the things that YouTube makes me say, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.